Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. What are the Topioisomerase inhibitors? So this includes the first one, the Topioisomerase 1 inhibitors, that is a camptothecin, the camptothecin analogs, and this includes the irinotecan as well as the topotecan. Next, looking at the two Topioisomerase 2 inhibitors. The first one, the irinotecan and the topotecan. The two inhibitors, it includes the anthracyclines. The anthracycline, the examples are the doxorubicin and the daunorubicin. So rubicin, what are the rubicins? Doxorubicin and the daunorubicin. The other category is the epipodophylotoxins. So epipodophylotoxins, it includes the etoposide as well as the teniposide. So it includes the posides. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.